right, we're on lesson 15. We're going to start adding a few tools to our toolbox when we talk about solving equations. So what we're going to add today is combining like terms inside of our equations. So let's just do a little recall of what like terms are. Remember, like terms have to have the same variable and the same exponent. So all of these values up here, those are all like terms. We're going to go ahead and combine them. I'm going to let you do this on your own first. It's a little opening exercise, so pause the video, solve those 4, and then unpause the video and just check your work. All right, so you should have gotten positive 2x, because remember in visible math, there's a 1 in front of those x's. To this third one should have 11x, because this is minus 1. And 9 plus 6 would be 15x. All right, so now we're going to do that in our equations. Okay, so we're going to combine our like terms first. So let's circle or square, circle and box, include the sign. And I can only do like terms that are on the same side of the equal sign. So when I draw this line, I can't do anything with this 4 and this 28 because they're on opposite sides. All right, so I'm going to put together my 7 and my 9. So this is going to add up to give me 16x. And I'm just rewriting everything else. This minus 4 comes down, my equal sign comes down, and my 28 comes down. So now I'm going to go ahead and solve my two-step equation like we practiced in the last lesson. So move the constant first. Opposite of minus 4 is plus 4. Bring 16x down, because my 4's cancel. 28 plus 4 is 32, and I'm going to divide both sides by 16. X equals 2. We're going to check. So rewrite the original equation. So 7x plus 9x minus 4 equals 28, and replace. So 7 times 2 plus 9 times 2 minus 4 equals 28, and solve. 14 plus 18 minus 4, and I can put that whole thing in the calculator. 14 plus 18 minus 4. Double check, make sure you get 28 on both sides. All right, let's try out another one. So I'm going to combine my like terms first. So let's rewrite 3x plus 2x minus 10 equals 15. Draw my line, because I can only combine like terms on one side of the equation. So I've got 3x and 2x. 3x plus 2x, well, I'm going to add the coefficients. 3 plus 2 is 5, so 5x. And everything else comes down. Minus 10, my equal sign, and 15. So 5x minus 10 equals 15. Now I'm going to go ahead and solve. Constant moves first, so plus 10 on both sides. My 10's cancel. My 5x comes down. 5x equals 25. I have 5 times x. Opposite of multiplication is division, so divide by 5 on both sides. 5's cancel. X equals positive 5. We're going to go ahead and check. So let's rewrite 3x plus 2x minus 10 equals 15. Replace 3 times 5 plus 2 times 5 minus 10 equals 15, and solve. 15 plus 10 minus 10 equals 15. And if you can see what's happening here, you've got a plus 10 and a minus 10. Those cancel each other out, so you're left with your 15 equals 15. And you're all set. Okay, next page. I'm going to have you go ahead and try both 2 and 3 on your own. So pause the video, try them out. When you're all set, unpause the video and check your work. So 6x minus 3x minus 9 equals negative 18. Draw your line. Circle your like terms. And solve. 3x minus 9 equals negative 18. Move the constant first, plus 9 on both sides. 3x gets brought down and your 9's cancel. 3x equals negative 18 plus 9 is negative 9. And divide both sides by positive 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1x equals negative 3. We're going to go ahead and check, rewrite. Replace. And solve. It should check out for you. Make sure you're showing all those steps for your check. Don't skip any. All right. Next one. All that's happening here is what's on our equal sign. The sides are just changed. We're going to solve it the same way. So 36 equals negative 8y plus 12 plus 2y. Draw your line down your equal sign. Combine like terms on the same side. Negative 8y, positive 2y. Now, they're not next to each other, but that's okay. I'm going to rewrite 36 equals. Now, negative 8y plus 2y, if you want to rewrite these, negative 8y, so that they are next to each other, you can. Then go ahead and combine them. Negative 8 plus 2 is negative 6y plus 12. Move your constant first, so minus 12 on both sides. Negative 6y is brought down. And 36 minus 12 is 24. And we're going to divide both sides by negative 6. 24 divided by negative 6 is negative 4 equals y. And we're going to check, rewrite. Replace. And solve. Oops. Right, you're all set. Good luck on your homework.